Hey, I just received my new pressure washer. This is an overview of the setup. I have a Jackery power bank to supply power to the pressure washer, so I can do this review remotely. I'm not tethered to the raw outlet. Power consumption is 1000 watts. Let me show you a few more details. The power on and off switch in front. Cable management in the back. The very long cords, I think they're like 25 feet. And the real holes, also for cable management. Smooth wheels in the back. That's the hose intake. Yeah, it's very lightweight and wheels rolls great. It comes with several accessories for different applications, like a brush. This is a bottle for detergents. You push it in and rotate to lock it in place. And there's a few tips included as well. That's the trigger. And you press it down to unlock. All right. Okay, let's take it outside to do a test. There's a protection here. You can do a test to cut off the circuit. Let's try the white one with a 40 on it. Power consumption is 1000 watts. The red one, 0.